What's up, momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's vlog because we are going to unbox and try a product which I think I really need to save my time. As you can see, I have such a long hair and it takes around 15 to 18 minutes to dry it properly. It's quite a long time. But now, thanks to Feekaa for sending me their product, which is the Feekaa fast drying hair blower, and I'm gonna show you how to use it, and we will compare it to the one that I have been using for a long time, and let's see if it's true to its promise, which is it will only take around 8 minutes to dry my hair without damaging it because of the 100 millions of negative ions. So I'm really excited. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Los kids! You can already see the product specifications, and it's written in 3 different languages: English, Chinese, and in German. And the features of the product and some safety precautions here. So let's unbox. So there's a separate box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there you go. This is our hair dryer, onion hair dryer. And let's open the small box. Diffuser. This is for curly hairs. Of course, the manual. Anion and hydrates. It's in German for moms and kids. So everything you have from here. It's written in English and in German. And there's a warranty, 1-year warranty. That's really good. And here's your blower. So this one is the concentrator. This is for straight hair.
The Feekaa hair blower has a high-speed DC motor, which is 3 times that of a traditional hair dryers, which greatly reduces the time of blowing hair. The powerful motor makes the hair dryer more durable and is the first choice for hairstylists.
This is the on button, on and off. You need to press it longer, it's around 3 seconds. And this is the front where you connect the diffuser and the blower. It's very easy. It's like magic. Very light. But you have to take note, this one has a 3-point plug, so you need an adapter.
Ordinary dry hairs use high-temperature hot air to dry hair, causing damage to the skin and hair surface. This hair dryer penetrates deep into the pores and dries quickly through the high wind of the spiral, bringing the ultimate enjoyment.
And friends, I just showered and I'm gonna use my old blower, and time check here. I'm gonna show you the time is 7:16 16 seconds, 18 seconds. So I'm gonna dry my hair and let's see how long it will take and how many strands of hair am I going to lose. So I'm gonna use speed number 2, and then for the thermostat, warm. It's not the super warm because as you can hear, it's very loud. So I have to turn it off first before I speak. So I'm gonna use speed number 2 and then just warm, not the super warm, because for the super warm it really hurts my scalp. It's really strong. Totally dry. From root to ends is dry. So it's very important to dry your hair properly, especially when it's cold outside, so you won't get sick. So it's 7:31. So it's exactly 15 minutes to dry my hair. It's quite a long time. You know, you can do something else within those period of time. So I really wanted to try this, but we're gonna wait for tomorrow because I already showered. Show you how much hair I lost today. So these are the hairs that I lost from using a blower. So every time I blow my hair, I'm gonna lose like this, or even more when I comb my hair. So momshies and friends, for today we're going to try the Feekaa fast drying hair blower. It's Because yesterday, I used my old blower. So now, I'm super excited. I'm gonna shower again and try this one.
With its magnetic nozzle, it is convenient to focus the wind in the direction of the hair styling. The NTC thermostat monitors the constant temperature 100 times per second to prevent overheating from damaging your hair. 4 constant temperatures are 20, 40, 60, and 80 degrees Celsius. The unique airflow inlet design with the dense filter cap does not suck any hair, so no need to worry about your hair safety again.
So I just showered and now I'm ready to try our newest blower from Feekaa. So I'm gonna use the fast drying mode, which is the color red, and then let's try the speed number 2. So let's time it. So now it's 3:26. Yeah, and let's get ready. Red, and then number 2. Okay, so it's totally dry. Let's check the time. 3:34. So that's actually total of 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, my hair is super dry. So I can really say that this is definitely fast drying blower. And I feel so fresh. Maybe let's try it on baby. How about that? Because it's supposedly good for your scalp because of the modes. So we're gonna try the cool mode, which is the blue one. So I just washed baby's hair and then let's try the blower for her. So baby, let's turn it on first. Long press, and then this one. The blue one is cool. So I'm just gonna be using speed number 1. And let's check out what time is it. It's 3:37. So let's dry your hair, baby cool. So babies, she's just 19 months. Is that it has tendency to be really warm on the scalp. So as you can see with the cool mode, she's not feeling any warmth at all. So it's really cool. And let's see if it's gonna dry our hair faster. So, i-off na natin. Because it's dry already. What time is it, baby? It's 3:39. So, 2 minutes for baby's hair. Long hair ka na, baby. I love it. Show you how to use the diffuser. This one is, you can also put it here on top, like the concentrator. It's very easy. It's magnetic. And then this is for curly hairs. So, just say I have curly hair. Just need to put it here. And then, it's gonna maintain your curls. That's why it's better if you have curly hair to have a diffuser, so you won't lose your curls when you blow her. Because normally, if you have a curly hair and then you use a hair blower, it's gonna straighten up your hair. So it's not that really nice. So that's it. My honest review about our Feekaa hair blower is that it's really fast drying, as you can see from what I did yesterday and today. It's really true to its promise of 8 minutes fast drying your hair. And this is what I love the most. The magnetic hair. It's so easy, and then you don't have to worry about your hair getting here at the bottom, because that's usually my problem because I have such a long hair. So it usually goes there. And what I like it about this as well is that it's very light. It's just around 400 grams without the cords. So, it's really good for traveling. You know, I'm definitely gonna bring it to our next family adventure. And also, a baby-friendly and child-friendly because of the cool mode. Yay! She's not getting shocked unlike my other hair blower. And the sound, it's not as loud as my old hair blower.
And look at that! It magically reduced my hair fall up to 80%.
I think the one they're saying that's the cons about this product, it's just the cords is not that long. Like, look at that. It's quite long. Definitely fine. It's around 1.8 meters, around that. But it's totally manageable. So I could definitely say that there's no cons at all with this blower. And I really like how chic it looks, especially the color pink. It's really pleasing and professional looking, baby. And at the same time, yeah, it functions very well as professional. So it's really good for winter time, especially because you need to really totally dry your hair before you go to bed or before you go out, because for health purposes we should not go out with our hair wet. So this is definitely gonna be a great help for saving time, especially for momshies like me. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then please do check the description box below to get more information about our product, Feekaa Fast Drying Hair Blower. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. So thank you so much for watching, and bis zum nächsten Mal. Cheers! Cheers, baby. Don't go bye-bye. Cheers! Thank you.